Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you create a carousel on Figma. So we can start to write here to go for a multiple frames. So what multiple frames is doing is about to go, for example, here is a frame 1, and then I will start to make a triple iPhone 16. So 1, 2, and 3. And here we have 3 frames of it, and each representing a carousel slide. So adding images or text inside this each slide will about to be done to be purposed to use the prototype to link it on slides after delay, and this really like a smart animation for it. So maybe you can try it on certain ways, but I can do this method wrong because I'm not experienced about that. I just told you that you should use prototype to link slides after delay. Okay, so maybe you mean that you would like to start to take the first one and it will be transformed to second one and third one. So this really could be meaning as presentation PowerPoint in Figma. And we can start to presentation PowerPoint. Okay, so we have Figma to PPT, and this will be about like this. And maybe you can use it and try to get more experience because it's really totally hard model on that or situation to do it on purpose.